Looking for the best Namecheap deals? You're in the right place. I've got the newest discounts ready for you. Whether it's a brand new domain, web hosting, or online security, these Namecheap promos can help you lock it in for less. And it only takes a few clicks to get started. Click the link in the description below to grab your Namecheap discount. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Namecheap discount. Clicking that link takes you straight to Namecheap's official current deals page, where you can find domain name sales, shared, VPS, dedicated, and WordPress hosting, professional email hosting, SSL certificates, and website security tools. And the prices are already reduced for you. There's no need to hunt down codes. Some offers have a promo code to copy, but most apply the discount automatically as soon as you check out. Namecheap updates these offers every single month, so whenever you click, you're getting the latest savings. Still, some promos run for a limited time, so it's smart to grab them while they're active. Use the link below, check out the newest Namecheap deals, and start your next project for less. And if you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more ways to save on your favorite web tools.